It's the sporty.
Just start right now.
I was gonna say, I thought.
Start.
I already did.
Oh.
Taking forever.
Where the hell is that fat fuck?
You're supposed to be here like an hour ago.
Guys. Oh shit! Hey, come in.
Whoa! What the hell was that?
Coming through the door, Fuzzy.
Come on in, sir.
Motherfucker.
Oh,
You got that one.
So, we planned that. Oh.
You know how long that took?
Wow. You guys waited that long.
Oh, sure.
Well, it's just baby powder. So he smells like
Yeah, at least it
he
smells.
smells like a baby bottom.
Alright.